Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve system restore with the error code 0x80042302 in Windows computer. So this error prevents system restore from completing its operations successfully, cannot revert their system to functional state during attempts to reverse problematic updates or software modifications. And several factors can lead this error include corrupted volume shadow copy service, third-party antivirus interference, corrupted system files, insufficient days space, and conflicting services or drivers. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart volume shadow copy service. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard and open up this run. So here in box, and then you need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And once you open up this services and services local and on right side, and then we need to find this volume shadow copy and then scroll down. So you find and locate already this volume shadow copy. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then select properties. So here in general properties and then startup type and then click this arrow and select automatic. And the next step, then I click apply and then click OK. And the next command keyword that we need to modify is the Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider. And then we need to scroll up again. And once you already find this Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider, so all you have to do is to select and then right click and then select this properties. And here at general properties and then startup type, select automatic. And you can see here the service status and then click start and wait to complete the process. And the next step, then click apply and then click OK. And the next command keyword that we need to modify is to find this Windows Management Instrumentations. And then we need to scroll down again. And then once you already find this Windows Management Instrumentations, all you have to do is to select and then right click and then select properties. So here at general properties and then startup type, select automatic. And the next step, click apply and then click OK. Alright, so once you're done here at services and then we need to close. And the other solution that we're going to do is to repair corrupted files. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then here at search for apps, and then you need to type cmd or this is the command prompt. All you need is to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space / scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And verifications 100% complete. And then next command keyword that we need to enter and then copy this command keyword dsm space / online space / cleanup -image space / restore health. So copy, use keyboard shortcut Control plus C. And then next step, then we need to paste in here Control plus B and then press enter. And deploy image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And then we need to close this CMD and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix system restore with the error code 0x80042302 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.